of safety.
Now, the government and the private sector need to come together to spark growth of the manufacturing sector. This emerged during an engagement led by the Ministry of Industrialization and Trade and the Association of Manufacturers regarding the growth of steel sector in Kenya. Speaking at the meeting, Cabinet Secretary for Trade and Investment, Lee Kinyanjui, noted that as the world increases steel production, Kenya can potentially produce steel for the African continent.
We all need to use our capacities more, create a win-win, and create jobs and foreign exchange for the country.
Our aim is to see how we can increase investment, to see how we can create more employment.
We need to support local, so we really want to make sure that as we buy our items, that we minimize on the importation and maximize on buying what is made in Kenya.
We would want an increased and robust production of steel because we believe that Kenya can be a powerhouse in the manufacture of good quality, well-priced steel.
We know that our interest rates by the banks have gone up to 19-20. Nobody will go and get a mortgage to build a house at 19. Now, luckily, the numbers are coming down. We're at about 14%. We still think it should come to the range of about 12.5. So the construction industry is also greatly affected by the availability of capital. So when capital is expensive, then naturally there'll be less available to that space.